Hi guys, good morning everyone. Our video today guys start to washing the white clothes. Good morning and welcome to Bib's Life in the US. To this picture guys, maglalaba ako ng white shirt. Dahil sobrang bigat guys, i-drag ko na lang siya. Open our lunch day biscuit. We add bacon. Let's eat lunch guys. Thank you Lord for the food. Yummy food. Biscuit. This is not biscuit mine. My husband used biscuit. Bread. And gravy. This is gravy, sausage, right? Me with rice. I like to add this for my rice. Then. Looks dry too much, huh? But it's fine. The sausage is not dry. Sorry, this one chili guys. I like to put that in the oh, look, only me use this little bit na lang. Let's eat guys. Rice is like mango. Hi guys, walking with me guys. It's only so very hot guys. Very hot wearing long sleeve. I give water to my plant eh. Huh? The new plant? Good no? Yeah. We give another water. Yeah, I'm sure grow up again. Over here, very bad. Oh. Something to eat? Hmm? Look like the worm is eating. Look like not survive. Maybe next year we need to plant zinnia right here. This area. Next year. Much later. Hi guys. Okay, right na sa live eh. My live is over there. Through the live. Pick my live eh. This one. Very happy outside. Or we to the mailbox. Very hot outside. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscribe ko. Bye bye.